In this video, we are going to solve a problem on electrocyclic ring opening. The problem is this diene undergoes electrocyclic ring opening to give two different products. The first one, this olefin, it is E olefin, this olefin, it is Z olefin. The second one, both are E olefin. It is based on this deuterium. You have to give higher priority for deuterium. So if you for configuration, it will be E and this will be Z. But in this case, both will be E. Now, what is the condition here? Under what condition you will get this? Whether it is con-rotatory or disrotatory, that is the first one. And under what condition it will undergo con-rotation, under what condition it will undergo disrotation. As soon as you come across electrocyclic ring opening or ring closing, you have to write this 4n thermal con. If it is 4n system, the number of electrons involved in the cyclization or opening, if it is multiples of 4, under thermal condition it will undergo con-rotation. The same 4n system, under photochemical condition it will undergo disrotation. I go for 4n plus 2 system, thermal, here it is 4n but here it is 4n plus 2. Under thermal, now this undergoes disrotation, just I have inverted. Same 4n plus 2 system, under photochemical condition it will undergo con. So if you memorize this 4n thermal con, that is sufficient. Based on that you can construct this table. Now I write the molecule like this. So here we have hydrogen and deuterium. Since the stereochemistry it is cis, I write like this. Deuterium, in the molecule they have given both are thick line. That means they are cis to each other. So I have written like this. Now it undergoes electrocyclic ring opening. So the number of electrons involved is 4n plus 2, that is 6. So you have to bother only about this, not this one. Now I go for con-rotation. Con-rotation, both are rotating in the same direction. So if I go for that, what I get will be something like this. The deuterium will come this side, hydrogen will be here. Similarly, this side deuterium will be here and hydrogen will be here. So I have rotated this. When I rotate by 90 degree, deuterium will come this side, hydrogen will go here. That is what I have written. This is the first product given in the question. So what I have done is, I have gone for con-rotation. And it is 4n system. Sorry, it is 4n plus 2 system. So 4n plus 2 system, con-rotatory, that means the condition should be photochemical. I go for disrotatory, that is one this direction clockwise, another one anti-clockwise direction. If I do that, the product whatever I get will be this is one possibility. The other possibility also is there, that is deuterium will be like this, like this. So I can get two products. This has not been given, this has been given in the question. So now what I have done is I have gone for disrotation it is 4n plus 2 system. 4n plus 2 system, disk rotation, it is possible only under thermal condition. So con-rotatory photochemical, disk rotatory under thermal. Now in the given option, you can see here con-rotatory under photochemical condition, disk rotatory under thermal condition. So this should be the answer.